I can't believe I'm saying it, but today is moving day. I am moving into my dream apartment in downtown Toronto, and it's so crazy because I literally have journal entries talking about how I want my luxury downtown Toronto apartment, and I talked about it years ago, and today it's finally happening. I can't believe it. Like, it's been on my vision board for like forever. I'm going to go grab breakfast downstairs, and I still need to pack all of my stuff because I have to meet the landlord at 8:30 and it's already 7:25. Luckily, the apartment is not that far with an Uber. I think it's like maybe less than 10 minutes, so I get time to like at least eat something and then go over to the apartment. I can't wait to show you guys. As I'm editing this, I'm realizing my lip liner just looks insane. Please disregard. I don't think it looked like that in real life, but maybe I have lip liner blindness. I don't know, but let's just ignore it, okay? I got the keys. Oh my god, you guys, I can't believe it. This apartment looks so good. There's so much natural light. I think also because it's in the morning, so there's literally direct sunlight in my apartment, which thank you, thank you, thank you. That's something that I really wanted, was like a lot of sunlight. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys the actual apartment tour. This is insane. Like, this is literally my dream apartment. I can't believe I have it. Okay, so this is the empty apartment tour. I have a in-unit washer and dryer, which I am so freaking grateful for. I did not have that in my old apartment. I like that I have a little hallway thing because I can put something here for like shoes or something, or put a mirror on this wall. I think that would look really great. And when you turn, you have the coat closet, which I appreciate because having a separate area for your coats is a game changer. And then we have the den, which I want to turn into my walk-in office or walk-in closet. Just put like a bunch of like, put like an IKEA pack system on this wall or something. And then maybe add like a makeup, get ready station there, or like my desk. I don't know, but I know this is gonna be a walk-in closet. I've been dreaming to have one. And there's no lights in here, but honestly, I don't mind. But this is the kitchen island. I literally told my realtor I want a kitchen island. It's a non-negotiable, and I finally have one. It's all like white and cream. My old kitchen in my first ever apartment was actually a dark blue, so I had a dark kitchen, and now I have like a non-dark, like a light kitchen. And I love that I have a washer and dryer. Hold on, let me try and open this. Like, I did not have a washer and dryer for over a year and a half. And I also have an oven, which is so cool. And I can like display some really cute mugs and stuff over there. And then we have the fridge, which I'm so excited about. Like, I had a white fridge, y'all. Like, Nini would not be happy with that. And then I also have a nice freezer. Oh my gosh. And obviously we have the microwave and more storage over there. And what's cool about this kitchen island is that you can literally like just buy chairs and just eat here instead of having to buy an extra table. The living room, which I'm so excited about. Like, I can't wait to put like a couch here and just have a TV. I don't have a TV, like I sold my old one, but in this apartment I do want to have a TV and like have some really nice cozy nights in. And then back here we have the bathroom. Oh sorry, like I just knocked over the other door. Hold on. I basically have a bathroom, which thank God. But look at this. I didn't even know there was like underlight, but look at this. Like, this looks so pretty. Oh my god, I feel like this is so fancy. And then I have a little bit of storage space here for like all of my skincare products. And then I have some under the sink storage as well. Clearly we have a toilet right there. But I'm so excited to have a bathtub that I can actually take baths in, because I could not do that in my old apartment. It had a bathtub, but it was literally like on its last leg. Like there was no stopper or anything. And then I have a waterfall shower with like the other thingy-majigger right there. I don't know how you call it, but this is so luxe. And the marble, like, I don't know, I love the finishes in here. Like, ugh, obsessed. Okay, let's move on. So then you can actually go to the bathroom through the bedroom, which I love, because if I have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, I don't want to have to go and walk through the living room. You have the bedroom, which this apartment is smaller than my old apartment in Montreal, but I will sacrifice freaking space to have something that is livable than, you know, not. Again, super nice. Sunlight coming in and peeking through. And I have a little closet here, like, you know, coat hanger, all that stuff. I have a balcony, which is super exciting. I never had a balcony before, so I can just go there like at night and just enjoy it. So super, super, super excited and grateful. I can't believe that this is my place. Like, this is actually my apartment. I lived in the dingiest apartment in Montreal for like the longest time, and now I get to call this place my home. Like, this feels so freaking unreal. Like, I can't believe it. I also am super excited because the movers are coming soon and stuff, but at least I got time to do like you know, like a empty apartment tour and stuff. Okay, so the movers came and put everything in my den. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of updates of the apartment and kind of the things that are already there. I didn't want to vlog, like film people, because I feel like that's kind of rude. Like, I don't know, like just be recorded without consent. So I just let them do their thing, and then now that they're all gone, it's good. I also had the internet guy come in and install the internet. One thing about me is, like, I will always time the internet being installed perfectly. Like, I will not spend a day without internet. I mean, I could now because of my phone plan. Like, I have a lot of data, but I remember when I was younger, we would move a lot, and one of the things that would happen is, like, we would not have any internet, and that was like our source of entertainment. So I always time and make sure that it comes the day that I move, the internet is also scheduled. So let me show you guys kind of what's been going on here. Okay, so you guys can finally see me, but I have my Hovet mirror by IKEA. Mind you, this thing is so hard to freaking get, and I ended up finding it on Facebook Marketplace. And the funniest thing is that the guy who sold it to me was my colleague's boyfriend. So when we found out, like, that he was like her boyfriend, because his name was so familiar, I was like, please tell your boyfriend to not sell it to anybody. So he didn't. And so I got this amazing mirror. I have my desk here. The plan is to put it in the den, but right now the den is a little bit full. As you guys can see, I actually put my little towels and stuff here. It's so cute. It's like the Easter bunny, and then I have this little checkered one. I feel like it, you know, it's really cute, and like, it's not just beige, even though it kind of is low-key. And then this is my den, and like, they broke my mirror, which is so unfortunate. I could technically glue it back on, but I don't know how well that's going to be, so I'm a little bit disappointed about that. And then I have my IKEA Malm dresser. For now, I think that that's really good, and then once we're ready to upgrade, we can get like the whole like IKEA pack system, which is like my idea and like my dream. And then this is all I took with me from Montreal. Like, I do not have anything else. I do not have any furniture. Like, my clothes literally fit into these 2 suitcases, and then yeah, that's it. Oh, I have a couple of jackets in there because I'm a jacket kind of girl, but that's literally it. And then in the bathroom, I basically added this cute little hand soap. It has little bows on it. I got it at Winners for literally like $9, mind you, 9 Canadian. And then I also added my little pink bath mat, and then I added a little hand towel here as well. So those are the little updates. So now what I have to do is to go to the store and buy a bunch of like cleaning supplies and things like that, like just to kind of get settled. And I also need to get like a duvet or something because my mattress was supposed to arrive today and it's arriving tomorrow. So I literally have nothing to sleep on. So I need to like find something to sleep on. So I'm gonna make a list of things that I need, and then we'll go to the store to go and fetch some essentials for this move. Okay, so I just got home. I'm sweating like a freaking cow. I went to the dollar store and then I went to grab some food because I'm absolutely starving. I ate this morning at like 7 a.m. and I think it's like 1:38, so it's almost 2 p.m. So I haven't eaten since then. So I went and grabbed some food. And unfortunately, the Popeyes is really close to my building. So we're gonna have to control ourselves is what I'm basically saying. I'm like so thirsty and I got some Fanta. I don't know about you guys, but Fanta is like my favorite drink ever. I know some people say like a fresh Coke just can't be beaten, but like a fresh fucking Fanta hits every time. I got a big bag of Dollarama stuff. I'm going to wash my hands and eat this because I'm so fucking hungry. Okay, now I look a hot mess. I changed into my PJs. Like, I guess a sweat set. It's from... Is it from Abercrombie? I think it's not even from Abercrombie. I think it's from Hollister. It's so comfortable. I can see the bottom, but it's basically like a matching sweat set. It's super comfortable. I need to get more because I live in this thing. I'm drinking some coconut water. I've heard it's really good for like hydration. After eating and stuff, I just am in this slump. Good thing I don't have a freaking mattress because that nap would have hit. Anyways, went to HomeSense, bought a couple of things. I can actually show you guys. Okay, so I got a speaker for Christmas from my uncle. I haven't used it yet and it's been like over 3 months at this point, and the reason why I haven't used it is because my old apartment, the sound, there was like no sound insulation. Like I could hear every single conversation from my neighbors. I could hear the conversations from the street, and when I say hear, it's not just like mumbling. I could like follow word for word what they were saying, like even people from the streets and everything, and cars passing by. So I mean, I'm kind of like a considerate neighbor. I don't want to like put super loud sounds out there while, you know, people want to sleep or just like want to relax or whatnot. So I never used it, but now that I have a super nice, I have my own apartment, the sound insulation is really good, I can finally start listening to the songs on like I can't even speak on the speaker, which, oh my god, I look so awful. Like this is the thing, like without lip gloss I think I look awful. Anyways, I can finally use the speaker and just listen to music and just dance. That's like the one thing that I feel like is a necessity when you have your own apartment, is to be able to just listen to music, vibe out. And yeah, and also I don't know if you guys have listened to Tate McRae's new album, but that shit hits. Like I've been dying for slutty pop songs, and that's everything that she's giving us on this album. So that's what I will be doing. I almost forgot to show you guys what I got at Winners, but I got a mattress topper because my mattress is still not here. It's supposed to come tomorrow, so I'm just gonna use this to sleep on tonight. We'll see how that goes. The thing is, I'm so tired, I could literally sleep on the floor. I do not care. I got some hangers, some velvet ones. These ones are from Steve Madden and they're pink and I thought they would be really cute. Okay, I couldn't help myself and I got another one of those soaps. It was only like $9 and I know it's like a seasonal kind of thing with like Easter and stuff, so I wanted to make sure I had my hands on them before they were gone because the boat ones were almost already gone, but I didn't want to have the two of the same ones. Looks so freaking cute. I got some just like bath stuff. I like having this to like reach my back because I'm not flexible at all and I can't reach my back, so I always need one of those. And then I also got a tongue scraper, so that's it. That's my little, oh wait, no, actually one last thing. It's a duvet set. It was the most expensive thing I got, but I needed sheets. I don't have any, so.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how, rewind, when we rewind.
Okay, so the sun is starting to set and it's so stunning. I love sunsets and sunrises. My windows are east facing, so I only get sunlight during the mornings, which is fine because I'm a morning person anyways. But I got some Indian food and I'm going to eat it and then probably do a little bit of the bathroom and just be done with my day. Tomorrow I'll have my first day in office, which is so exciting. I'll get to see the Toronto team in their normal habitat and then also just, I don't know, have my first like in-office job, which is so exciting and such a milestone. So I'll talk to you guys later and thank you so much for watching this vlog. Bye.